contains a deadly flaw. Our conversations change from words to blah blah blah. We took prescription drugs, but look how much good that did.
That without Christ, there's nothing to skating. Without Christ, we're nothing.
Cause lately it just seems to me like we've got the letters ADD blended into our mentality. We simply can't focus on anything because it's 17, 18, 19 routine. And here at 23, it's the same old me. And the one thing in the moment that we all have been like,
says the Lord. And we have such a hard time with that. Like, we have such a hard time with allowing God to be God. And you know what the basis really is? It's trust.
I just came and started skating and I loved it down here so much. It just helped me progress so much and all that kind of stuff. But then the God aspect, then on I just started going to church upstairs and just meeting so many people that are on fire for God. And I was just I want that. And just from then on, I've been following ever since. We always struggle, but down here it's we can reach out. It's not more about skating. I don't even care if I could skate right now. If I could be talking to somebody, if I could be reaching out to somebody and knowing that in my life I could touch one person with the love of God, then it's all worth it.
Losing interest, cause 17, 18, 19 routine, and here at 23 it's the same old me. And the one thing in the moment that we all been like we're only very temporarily kinda break the cycle of a double-edged sword.
Think of how in the Bible Paul says he's all things to all people for the sake of reaching them with the gospel. And I think it's awesome how the underground is, being that thing to the kids of this area, that place where they can come and they can skate and they can learn lessons from the Bible that are so relevant and so important.
It's completely up to us to maintain consciousness.